Welcome back everyone. So today we're just going to do a quick and simple flip and drag, but it's going to be a little bit of a twist. So what I'm hoping to do is with the flip and drag, kind of bring it down and around, and then afterwards come in and kind of form an animal. To get started, the colors that we will be using today are the COLORSHIFT Green Flash, the Deco Art Festive Green, some COLORSHIFT Emerald. I'm like really trying to pick these colors. I'm like, ooh. Some COLORSHIFT Yellow, I think that would go well. And as I make a mess over here, some SOHO Burnt Orange. And I think we're going to keep it simple with just those 5 colors. So we're just going to come in, we're going to layer our little cup, but first we're going to spray it down with the Giovanni Shine of the Time High Gloss Hair Mist, and that's going to help release any of the paint and keep it from sticking inside our little cup. Now I know it's been a hot minute and this is what I come up with, right? Well, actually I have about 3 videos on the way. 2 of them have already, first half has been filmed already, waiting for those to dry so I can do the second part. And then the 3rd video, I'm trying to edit down on my computer to a size that I can transfer to my phone to finish editing for you guys, because that one ended up being a 3-hour video and it's way too large for my phone. So stay tuned for those upcoming videos. So if you haven't subscribed, this is a great time to subscribe so you can catch those coming this week. Alright, so I think I'm going to start actually with the burnt umber, just a smidge. Then we're going to pair it with the yellow flash, because maybe it'll give a little bit of an orange hue if I'm lucky. Then let's hit it with the sparkly festive green, compliments of Monica Tiamoni. And then we have our emerald, COLORSHIFT Emerald. So these color flashes, these are compliments of Jennifer LaFond. Another big thank you out there to Monica and Jennifer, and of course skull caps that define all of my color shifts you probably recognize. And that is another thanks to Christina Welsh. You guys have been a huge influence and sponsor to my channel, and can't thank you guys enough. But I have about 15 milliliters of paint, and this animal has a larger area in the center, so I'm probably going to start closer to the center, bring it down, and then bring it up and around. So, flip it over. I'm just gonna wait for that paint to drop now. Oh, it's coming out from underneath. I don't want to do this to this cup, but it doesn't seem to want to release the paint, so I'm gonna have to poke a hole. And here we go. And there we go. I know it looks like a blob right now, but when this is dry and I can actually come in and add a little bit more detail, kind of excited. It looks like the chameleon that I am looking at. Then we can add detail and everything else, but there's not a lot of cells. I don't think there's silicone in any of these paints that I have, just Floetrol. I didn't add silicone to any of them, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get a lot of cells just from the weight. So I don't know where that weight is popping up in here. But there we have it, a little flip and drag chameleon. Ta-da! But yes, please stay tuned. You guys, I don't know how to show you guys with heavy. So I had to elevate you guys for this video because there's a painting underneath this, which is drying. Because I ran out of space right now for drying stuff, so I had to find a way to still film for you guys and keep this painting where it's at, and it's also the size of the painting. So you'll see that one soon. That one, part one's already done, so I'm just hoping maybe like another day or so and it'll be dry. But I'm back to filming this week and getting up stuff for you guys, and even if I don't get the ones that I want, I'll still come in and do little tiny paintings like this for you guys in the meantime. If you guys have another animal in mind, I have two actually. I have two. I know what I'm gonna do. So while I'm still editing these other ones and getting those all done, I'll come in and I'll do animals. I think that'll be fun. So tomorrow's we can airbrush, because I just got an idea to use the airbrush, and we'll play with these techniques like the flip and drag and the balloon smash, and using the air gun, air compressor, and we'll make animals for you guys. So I will see you guys then. You guys have a great day. Bye.